Is it really that fucking dark?
I'm turning on the other light.
Holy shit, it is.
Should I turn the camera around and show him? You fucking idiot. What the hell is wrong with you? Oh my god. He's already going away. It's already going away, then.
I'm joking.
Becca, the anxiety is just going away.
Mom, you know what it was? It's not on the cat. That's when he ran away from his spot.
Well, it's showing. Show right now. No, he's still doing up anything. Did you get any spit in my drink?
No.
Better not.
Oh, I don't know.
Jesus Christ, what'd you do? Hawk a huge ass loogie or something?
No, I have a bunch of problems in my life. Mother, what are you doing? What? You want to turn it off?